happened in October 2018, Brunswick, Maine. A marine biologist believes a humpback whale shielded her from a 15-foot tiger shark in the South Pacific. Nan Hauser, president of the Center for Cetacean Research and Conservation, said she didn't understand the actions of the 25-ton whale that she met face-to-face in the Cook Islands. The whale started to nudge her and appeared to push her with its head. The animal also appeared to shield her with its pectoral fin. Then she saw the shark. Whales are altruistic and often hide seals from predators, but she has never experienced or read about anything about a whale protecting a human. "If someone told me the story, I wouldn't believe it," she said. While Hauser credits the whale for protecting her, she acknowledges she can't know what the whale was thinking.